Hello, sweetie. Good tea to you. Sometimes there are moments you are not feeling well. Perhaps you are sad or angry. Or maybe you have to cry and feeling alone. Well, I can give you some joy to make you feel a little bit happier. First, give yourself a hug and say to yourself, I love you. I love you. Good job. Let's begin. Look to your hands. Then breathe in through your nose, open your arms and bring them to your heart. Breathe out through your nose and bring your arms down again. Breathe in, look to your hands, open your arms to your heart. Breathe out and bring your arms down again. Breathe in, look to your hands. And breathe out and bring your arms down again. Perfect. It will be okay. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out and bring your arms down again. Well done, little birds. Put your hands a little bit under your belly button. Close your eyes and notice how you feel. Breathe in deep through your nose and breathe out very slow through your mouth. And how does your body feel? Did you enjoy the practice? Breathe in through your nose again and out through your mouth. Then open your arms again to the sky. Breathe in and breathe out and bring your arms down again very slow. And the breathing is the same rhythm like your movements. Breathe in, open your arms to the sky. Breathe out and bring your arms down again. Very slow. Last time, breathe in, open your arms to the sky, where all the birds are. Breathe out and bring your arms down again. Put your hands again a little bit under that belly button. And then I will say, well done. I'm proud of you. I hope you enjoyed my video. And that you enjoyed my practice. Step in. And then I will say Gucci to you. Hope you're feeling a little bit better. There are 5 animals. And next time, over 4 weeks, I show you another one. Bye bye. See you next time.